Is that choo-choo track?
Yeah, can you find out how to build my Legos?
Yes, let's let Noah finish getting his out. Noah, look at the rest of your present.
Legos too. Noah, look at my Legos. He has train tracks.
What do you boys want to say to Mommy and Papa?
Oh, thank you, Mommy and Papa.
Noah, what do you want to say to Mommy and Papa?
Yeah, go Papa and Mommy.
It was a hit.